Weekend Food is a program that provides supplemental food for children for the weekend who may not have enough to eat at home. Our vision is that there should not be a hungry child in Grapevine.
I've seen firsthand the kind of effect that having weekend food can have upon middle school kids, because we do have kids that eat rather well with free breakfast and free lunch during the week, but when it comes to the weekend, if you've ever been in some of their homes, you can see that they have very little. And with the weekend food program, they at least have some things to sustain them over the weekend.
We have a team of over 50 volunteers who bag and deliver food to 12 campuses. We currently provide food to about 700 children a week. Each week, a volunteer picks up the food order at Sam's and delivers it to the church. Volunteers then put the food into bags and into the appropriate bins. Then the volunteers pick up the bins from the church and deliver them to the schools.
I think people volunteer for the weekend food program because they know that we do have kids all across our country that don't have the food that they need for the weekend especially. And by being a part of this program, they can make sure that our kids in Grapevine do have some of the sustenance that they need in order to continue to grow and develop, and to know that they are cared by some of the people in our community.
You may be asking yourself, how can I help? We need volunteers for various duties, like picking up orders from Sam's. Every week we order about 160 cases of food. A volunteer with a large vehicle picks it up and brings it to the church. Sam's places the food on a pallet, wraps it in plastic, and then loads it with a forklift into someone's truck. Currently, we have 3 volunteers who do this, but we need more. We also have volunteers for bagging. Each week, volunteers bag the food. This is a job that anyone can do. We have outside groups from the community who come in and bag. This really helps to raise awareness in our community. Our biggest need currently is for delivery. After the food is bagged and the bins are stacked and ready to go, volunteers come and pick up the bins in room 1006 and deliver them to the schools. We could also use financial assistance. Last school year, we spent over $36,000 on weekend food. We are completely self-funded by donations from the congregation, the gala, and the Ironmen. You have supported this ministry with your time, your prayers, and your gifts. You have enabled this church to feed hungry children for the past 4 years. Debbie Price will be outside the downtown sanctuary this Sunday to speak with anyone who would like to know more about weekend food and to direct those to room 1006, where weekend food is having a meet and greet. So please, come by and learn more about weekend food.